welcome back to Zap Boys TV. And today we're doing a mission. We're trying to find all the colors on this chart. There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, black, and purple. So far, we've only found like orange and red.
We found.
And I put it in my magnifying glass capture. And I found the red flower over here, and I found the acorns. There's like 1,000 acorns, and I found the acorns down there. So now we need to find something yellow. You guys comment down below if you find it. Oh, I found it! Yellow flowers. Come on, guys. I was about to say comment down below if you see it, because I can't. But I found it over there. But still, comment down below if you see it. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell button. All the way over here, I found a yellow flower. All the way up here. And open this. And you put it in. And then you close it back up. You guys want to see it? Okay, now to find the next color, which is green. Oh, well, that was easy. Starting to look like a rainbow, because it is a rainbow. Well, it's supposed to be one. Now, the next color is blue. Comment down below if you see anything blue, because I don't. I mean, I see that, but I can't really put that in. Oh, I found it. Blue flowers. Or this purple. I guess it counts as both. Now we got like all the main colors. See? Okay, now we need to find pink. Where should we find pink? I thought I saw some pink flowers. Or those red. I think there's some pink ones. There we go. Close that back up. Look, guys, now we got a super rainbow. Now, to see to the chart, we need to get black next. Maybe the dirt. Okay, now we got some black. You got some flowers for us?
What color is that? Is that the last color on your chart?
Purple and yellow. Daddy found purple for us.
Good job.
Now I think they're just. Oh wait, we got all the colors. You guys look. We got all the colors. Except for green.
No, he got green.
No, we got green. We got a leaf. And also, we got something soft, which is the flowers. We got the acorn, which was hard. I don't think there was anything fuzzy. Nothing rough.
Nothing black.
Nothing slimy. Nothing, the acorn was smooth. Nothing sticky.
We don't have anything black.
Yes, we did.
You can go.
I got the dirt.
You can go get a little rock. That would be rough, right?
A what?
A rock?
Oh,
You got
yeah.
a rock.
A rock. I found some rocks. I just need to find them
Don't
again.
pick up the big rock, Ty.
That's the rock that will come out of here.
I mean, this whole path is rocks. Right here. You could just pick up.
Yeah, but we need a rock that can fit in here. And at this time, I'm going to put
Jordan, how about over here by the journey?
I found one. See, guys, look at the rock.
I found none. Hey, we need one more to make it super sciencey.
Yeah, super sciencey.
Okay, hold on. Let's do this.
Okay. Don't make a spill. Now you guys want to see its side?
Let me see from the side.
Oh yeah, the side. The side makes it so that you can see from underneath it. Can I see? Nice. And now we got a whole rainbow. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell button there and there. Peace out, y'all.
And also, go to our channel and comment down below. And if you see one of our channels, comment down below. And let's